Here's how to set typing in Word, A4 paper size, spacing 1.0, Times New Roman 12, and margin 2.422.42. The method is very easy, watch this video until the end to get the method. Before that, don't forget to click the subscribe button if this tutorial is useful for you and also click the like button if you like it. Thank you. Okay, the first one is we will change the paper size to A4 paper size. The method is to enter the page layout menu, then select size, then select A4 paper size. Next we will change the spacing. The method is also very easy. Enter the home menu, then click line and paragraph spacing in the paragraph section. After that select or click the spacing size 1.0. The next setting is to change the font style to Times New Roman. The method is still in the home menu in the font section. Click the down arrow to find the Times New Roman font shape. If you have found it, you can click it. After that we will change the font size. Still in the home menu, next to the font style there is a font size that we can set to 12 points based on the specified format. Finally, we set the margin size to the margin size that we have specified, namely left 2.4 centimeters, top 2 centimeters, right 2.4 centimeters, and bottom 2 centimeters. The method is to enter the page layout menu, then select margins. Then select custom margins to determine the size. Then determine the margin size, namely left 2.4 centimeters, top 2 centimeters, right 2.4 centimeters, and bottom 2 centimeters, then click OK to save the settings. How easy, right? That's all for now and see you in the next video.